Honourable Member for Torn Gap Members.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. To the Honourable House of Assembly, the Province of Newfoundland and Labrador in Parliament assembled. The petition of the undersigned humbly showeth. Whereas Labrador's coastal communities already pay extremely high hydro rates, and whereas small businesses are struggling to stay in operation against rising costs of operation, and whereas Nalcor, a Crown corporation, is proposing an 11.4% increase to residential hydro rates and a 20% increase to business rates. Whereupon the undersigned, your petitioners, humbly pray and call upon the House of Assembly to urge Government of Newfoundland and Labrador to work with Nalcor to establish rates that are fair and consistent with the whole province. And in duty bound, your petitioners will ever pray. Now, Mr. Speaker, when I first learned of these rates, Mr. Speaker, I was floored. I was totally floored, Mr. Speaker. We joined Confederation in 1949, Mr. Speaker. Labrador was a part of that union. We're part of this province, Mr. Speaker. We're still a part of this province, and we expect to be treated as a part of this province, Mr. Speaker. When I see hydro rates proposed for 1.9%, when I see hydro rates increase for 2.9%, I think that's fair, Mr. Speaker. But when I see 11% and 20%, and to hear the Minister of Natural Resources agree with this proposal, Mr. Speaker, I wonder if this proposal had an 11.4% increase and a 20% increase for the Isles of Notre Dame, Mr. Speaker, I wonder would he stand up and support it. Now, Mr. Speaker, we're looking at fairness and equity, Mr. Speaker, in Labrador. We got to argue for fairness and equity, Mr. Speaker. And with this government, Mr. Speaker, it falls on deaf ears. I'd like to think, and I've read it, and I still like to think, that Nalcor is a Crown corporation. And to see the gall of this government to look at the unfairness in this proposal, Mr. Speaker, this is the first of many petitions that I will be presenting, and I will be making my submissions to the PUB, Mr. Speaker. When you look at fairness and equity in this province, Mr. Speaker, we expect it. Thank you.